Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the paper titled The Relationship Between Plant-Based Diet and Risk of Digestive System Cancers, a meta-analysis based on 3,059,009 subjects. Let's first go over who the authors are. We have Yuji Zhao, Zhenyi Zhan, Yongsun Wang, and Donli Wang. These authors are in the Department of Gastroenterology at Shandong University of Traditional Medicine in Jinan, China. Zhenyi Zhang is a graduate student at the Shandong University of Traditional Chinese Medicine. Now, what was the goal of this paper? The goal of this research paper was to determine whether a plant-based diet protects against cancer. Consuming red and processed meat has been associated with increasing risk of digestive system cancers. This research examined papers from 5 different journals that are highly regarded, including PubMed, Medline, Embase, Web of Science Databases, and Scopus on October 24, 2021. It utilizes a sample size of 3,059,009 subjects to analyze the data. They concluded that plant-based diets do indeed play a role in reducing risk of digestive system cancers. They noticed this risk reduction from a plant-based diet in pancreatic, colorectal, rectal, and colon cancers. However, this risk reduction was very even among all types of cancers, meaning that plant-based diets do not prevent certain cancers better than the others. They equally prevent all types of cancers. Now let's get into a little bit of the background behind this research. The paper cites that 30 to 50% of all cancer cases are actually preventable and talks about how common digestive system cancers like liver, gastric, which means stomach, and colorectal are among the top 10 most significant healthcare problems globally. This paper cites another research paper where the link between red meat and digestive system cancers was firmly established. However, the question that this research wanted to explore was if there is any evidence for the effectiveness of plant-based diets in preventing the formation of cancer. This paper defined a plant-based diet as a diet excluding any meat products, seafood, or food of animal origin. However, it also included a diet that had a higher consumption of fruits and vegetables than animal products. This would mean that technically if you ate overall more fruits and vegetables than you ate meat, this could be considered a plant-based diet. This paper used a very strict sorting process to try and find only scientific articles that were relevant to the topic of plant-based diet. I'll have a picture of the overall sorting process pasted here. Now, as we can see, this research paper is a meta-analysis, meaning that it's taking currently existing research papers and sorting through them based off of different criteria to use the sample size and gather some larger conclusion from that. This study specifically mentions that given the results, the researchers believe this should be a call to action for people to seriously consider a plant-based diet given its benefits. And to further explain how this link occurs between plant-based diets and prevention of certain cancers, the study provides biological context as to why a plant-based diet would be beneficial, which I'll now explain. Inflammation and oxidative stress can contribute to the formation of tumors. Inflammation is obviously when parts of your body are swelling up, right? And that can cause long-term issues, especially if that occurs chronically in parts of the digestive tract. Plant foods have fiber and a balance of vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, which just mean chemicals from plants, and also includes sulfur compounds, carotenoids, polyphenols that are all beneficial against cancer. Now, what do some of these parts do? Well, carotenoids help to remove free radicals, and free radicals are oxygens that are not bound to anything and solely floating. Most oxygen that we breathe is in the form of O2, and it's perfectly safe and normal. However, during certain biological processes, it can be broken down or enter our body as a free radical form, which can be very dangerous for us. Free radicals are known to cause many different issues, including cancer, and any compounds that reduce free radicals are known as cancer-reducing. In addition, a plant-based diet would include nuts, polyphenols, and unsaturated fats, which can help improve intestinal flora and prevent digestive system cancers. Now, what is intestinal flora? That's really referring to the gut microbiome that we have in each and every one of us, where there is a lot of bacteria all along our digestive tract that helps to break down and help with the digestion of certain foods. And we have a collection of bacteria. Now that bacteria can be either good or bad bacteria, and based off of that, it can help influence a lot of our mood and many other different factors of how we feel. A plant-based diet would help decrease the amount of time it takes food to move through our body, through obviously having a lot more fiber and those types of things. And what this would have the effect of doing is that as food moves through our body quicker, if we do for some reason or have carcinogens that accidentally get into our food, carcinogens just mean a cancer-causing agent, then that will pass through our body faster as well, leaving there to be less time for that carcinogen to soak in and for its chemicals sort of to be absorbed in our body and cause more issues through that means. In addition, these compounds from a plant-based diet would increase the number of Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus, which are known as good bacteria, that can often be found in yogurt. So next time you're buying yogurt, you can definitely check for the types of bacteria. It's actually listed on the back, and you'll see some of these names there. The study finally concludes that there is no significant difference, interestingly enough, between a vegan diet or a vegetarian diet in regards to the protection each provides against cancer. This means that the benefits for health were nearly the same for both vegans and vegetarians. So for those of you that are looking to start a plant-based diet, it is very important for you to realize that you do not need to go fully in to experience all of the benefits of a plant-based diet. You can definitely start with small baby steps as you build up your way towards more advanced diets. The study also cites the WCRF, which is the World Cancer Research Fund, and they had a recommendation on that of having no more than approximately 3 portions of meat per week. It also suggests about 30 grams per day of fiber and around 400 grams of fruity/non-starchy vegetables. I highly encourage you all to read the article, which I'll post in the description, and please comment if there's any other article you would like me to do. Thank you guys all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.